Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking coconut rice. I'll be using groundnut oil, but you can also use coconut oil. Adding your chopped onions. There's just something about coconut rice that feels like a vacation and holiday at the same time. Or is it just me? Adding pepper. So this pepper mix consists of tatashi and red pepper. Two whole garlic, and fried fish, salt, season cube, bay leaf, crayfish, the flavor in this one will be macaroni. Adding the desiccated coconut, once it's done frying, for 1 minute, adding the washed rice and stir to fully coated. It needs to thoroughly combine. Leave this on low heat for like once a minute has passed. Stir so it won't get burnt underneath. You add in your coconut milk, rice. Shit, that is hot. Now this is correct and confirmed coconut rice. Not only does it smell like coconut, the rice is almost done. Adding both the coconut water and milk for that rich taste, and if that's not available, add some water. Not already subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really goes a long way. Thank you. Taste test and make adjustments if needed. Now that we are done cooking, our tasty coconut rice is ready. Wow! Just take a look at this coconut rice. This isn't just food, it's luxury in a plate, wrapped in irresistible aroma. And if your mouth isn't watering right now, please check yourself. Something is wrong somewhere. So tell me, how do you like your coconut rice? Let me know in the comments. I can subscribe and share this video with someone who thinks rice is just rice. Let them try out this coconut rice recipe. Let me know in the comments how it turned out. And I'll see you guys next week. Abeg, come chop.
I just want